Hi. Here we are introducing our new all-in-one inbuilt CCTV camera. Okay. This one is everything was inbuilt inside. Okay. For this, we no need of. Normally, we want to purchase a camera. We need DVR, NVR, and switch, cable, hard disk, everything. But here we need just nothing else to purchase. Everything was inbuilt. Okay. So in this camera we have fixed the mic here, and camera is there. Everything is also the camera. Okay. And see, in the back side we have given the Ethernet cable slot. This one is the SD card slot. Okay. And this one is for this cable slot, adapter cable slot. Okay. And this is the speaker. All around the speaker is available, so the sound facility is also very good. And this is a 2 Wi-Fi. Normally in a Wi-Fi camera, only one Wi-Fi antenna will be there, but here we are providing 2 antennas. Alternatively, one antenna is also provided. If one is not working, another one will work. Okay, so there is no bother about that. And this is a rotatable camera, manual rotatable. In vertical portion, it will be rotated up to 120 degree. 120. See, in vertical motion, it will rotate up to 120 degree, and in horizontal motion, it will rotate up to 355 degree. In India, okay, in India, nobody is providing up to this 355 degree. This is the only main feature in this. Okay. See, now I will show the demo how this camera will be rotated up to 355 degree. See, now the adapter I will be fixing in that adapter slot. It was fixed. Okay. Now the green light will be on. It will rotate up to 355 degree. Wait. See how the camera is rotating up to 355 degree. It was rotated. See the vertical, how it is rotated. See. In this mode, it will take a video. See, for this, we will be providing an adapter. Okay. Through this adapter, you can fix in the wherever the facilities you are having the plug and play. You can plug and play that adapter, and you can fix it in with your camera. For this also, for fixing, we are providing a wall-mounted rotator also. Now I am showing the demo of this one is also. See, in this back side of the camera, we will be providing the to fix this camera in this wall-mounted rotator. We have to rotate anti-clockwise. Yeah, it was fixed. And these 2 holes we have provided. You can fix these 2 holes in the wall. Okay, so that we can fix like this. Okay, you can keep it in horizontal or whatever the direction you want. You can rotate, even though you can rotate also. Okay, after fixing this one, you can tighten this nut. Okay, so that it was fixed and stand in this stand. Okay. And also for this, we are providing an Ethernet cable here. This Ethernet cable up to 2.5 meter we are providing. 2.5 feet we will be providing. Sorry, not meter. 2.5 feet we are providing. For extension, you can purchase by your own. Okay. And for your wall mounting also, even though we are providing the needle and everything, nails and everything, you can fix this. and this one is the guidebook, and warranty, 1 year warranty card is also provided. See, this 1 year warranty card we are providing here. And this is a software. To download the CMS software, we are providing this card also. And this camera's features I want to show you. In night vision also it will be vision. Okay. This with IR cut clear viewing view, even in the night vision, full darkness also you can view the videos. Okay. And multiple viewing facilities also we are providing, plug and play, and HD fluent video we are providing. Okay. So megapixels up to we will be providing megapixels. Now I am showing the specification of this camera. See, sensor 1.5 into CMOS sensor is there. Resolution 1280 into 720. Pixel 1 megapixel we will be providing. Okay, and JPEG mode you can view the camera, and day and night IR cut it is providing. Okay, Wi-Fi is there. SD card up to 64 GB you can use. Okay, normally you have to, for this SD card, the distance is higher, distance is also 8 to 10 meters you can be able to view this. Okay, and this is the SD card you have to insert in the SD card slot. See, here in the camera the SD card slot is there. You have to insert this SD card, but this SD card you have to purchase by your own. Okay, according to your need. Okay, how long you need, you can purchase that. If you purchase for 32 GB, you can get 15 days backup. If you purchase 64 GB, you can get up to 30 days backup. So according to your need, you can purchase that one. Okay, this SD card is getting from all the mobile shops. Even in the small mobile shops is also it will be provided. So you can purchase near your mobile shops. Okay, according to your need, you can purchase whether you want to 32 GB or 64 GB. According to that, you can provide. And normally this one is purchased for the small shops. Okay, and jewelry shops, office, tiny units, hotels, church, and any other retail shops also you can provide. And even it will be most useful for the tuition centers, hospitals, reception halls, and play schools, boutique shops, library, etc. Okay, so for this we are giving a multiple viewing software through this application of iOS Android application. You can see the through your mobile also. For this, only one thing you need is an internet with Wi-Fi router. Okay, with this internet and Wi-Fi router only you can see the videos, backup and everything by your own mobile or laptop or desktop, whatever it is, you can see in any one. Okay, and here we are giving this camera, the mic facilities is also there. So through this, in the next end you can speak with this mic. In the next end the people also hear your voice, and even if you are going outstation, you can view this videos from your mobile, and you can rotate this camera also. Okay, and you have the internet, even mobile internet or broadband. Either you can use mobile internet or broadband, but we need a Wi-Fi router for this. Okay. So in inbuilt camera, most probably everything is all fixed inside the camera itself. Okay. See, for this we are giving a software. Okay, through this software you can download this software to any of your mobile, tab or laptop, any device. Through this you can view the live video, and also you can rotate and came through the, from this software you can rotate and see all the areas of your location. Okay. For to purchase this camera, normally if you want to purchase a camera you have to invest a large amount, but here this is very budget amount you have to invest. It is very less amount only. To purchase this camera, kindly call us to 095787 51338, or otherwise you can visit the detail in brief www.homewificctv.blogspot.com, or contact through www.infotechwebs.com. Whereas